Nelly.
Oh, Nora. Oh, it's not a paddling pool. It's water for drinking.
They should go for a paddle to cool down. This will cool them down.
They like it.
They love it.
Phew, I'm hot now.
Me too.
Whew. Let's take the sheep down there. The shade will keep them cool.
Woof, woof, woof. The other way, sheep.
To the shady tree.
Woof, woof, woof. Woof, woof, woof. Woof, woof, woof. Don't the sheep want to be cool?
Maybe they're used to being hot with all that wool on their backs.
And their tummies. They should take those hot jumpers off.
They can't. That's their wool.
Huh?
It's their hair. It's Dad.
Well, what do you think of the new haircut, ladies?
Nelly.
Oh, Nora.
Hello, Mrs. Bonner.
Did you see the cows?
Which cows?
Oh. They're all lying down, Nora. Do you think they're tired?
Or maybe they ate too much grass.
Or maybe it's going to rain. My mother always told me cows lie down when it's going to rain.
Oh, no! If it rains, Dad won't take us to the beach.
It's not raining now. Maybe Dad will take us anyway.
But if he sees the cows lying down, he'll think it's going to rain.
Let's make the cows stand up again. Moo! 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 Cows don't understand cow talk either.
Yay! Stand up, cows. Look, your favorite long, lovely grass.
Nom, 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 nom. Nom, nom, nom.
Oh, the cows came over when they saw Farmer Joe.
Hello, cows. I'm Farmer Nora. I'm very busy. I have farm work to do. I have to feed chickens.
No, the cows. Treats, the treats.
No, but first I have some cow treats. Come on, cows. Moo!
Is it working? Farmer Joe, the cows won't come over. We've tried everything.
Well now, when they won't come for me, I call them like this.
Oh.
Hey, come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Come on.
Nelly.
Oh, Nora.
Hello, Mrs. Bonner.
Oh, dear. Where are your raincoats, girls?
It isn't raining, Mrs. Bonner. The air is just watery.
Come in here by the stove and dry yourselves off now.
We were swimming.
That's what it looks like, all right.
We wanted to show you something in the newspaper. But it's a bit wet now.
Never mind. I have a copy of that same paper too. What did you want to show me?
A picture of you.
Of me? Oh, that is me at the summer fair. I was buying that geranium. I'm going to cut that out and stick it on my fridge. I've never had my picture in the paper before. Thank you, girls. I might have missed that if you hadn't called over.
Look, I made a sea sailor. Ship ahoy, ship ahoy, ship ahoy, ship ahoy.
That's like paper mache, Nora.
Like what?
Paper mache. If you dip paper in flour and water, it will dry hard and you can keep it. Wet paper is great for making things.
We have lots of wet paper. Let's make a boat for my sailor. We can sail home in it.
Would you look at that?
Let's show Mum and Dad.
Oh, you can't go home without a raincoat. Bye-bye. Thanks for coming.
Full steam ahead. Boop.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Wish, wish. Wish, 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 wish. Wish, wish, wish. Wish, wish. Nelly.
Oh, Nora.
Promise to be careful with the camera, girls?
We'll be careful, promise.
Now, what do we photograph? Oh. Us! Now what? Oh. Silly cloud.
Magical sun sparkles.
See, you're in a sunspot.
Wolf!
Hello, girls. Oh, what are you up to?
We're taking photos of the camping park.
Oh, these are wonderful. You took a photograph of everyone.
Nelly, let's take a photo of everyone. Together, like a family photo.
A camping park family photo.
Ready for the track on. European and everything.
I prefer now if it's going to be windy in the afternoon, a west wind rather than an east wind for the washing because it really blows.
Nora, stop! That's perfect.
Nelly.
Oh, Nora.
Ah. Hello, Mrs. Bonner.
Oh, hello, girls. You caught me. I'm looking for my cat. Have either of you seen Morris? Oh, he's disappeared.
Like Boof.
No, he's around here somewhere. I just don't know where.
We can help you look for him.
Oh, that's a great idea.
Yay!
So where will we search?
All of Morris's favorite places. So let's try under the picnic table.
Aw. Morris isn't in this favorite place. Maybe he's hiding in the box behind your mobile.
Sometimes he sleeps in the little shed in the farmyard.
We've searched all of Morris's favourite places, but we didn't find him.
There's still lots of other places to look.
That's the problem. He could be anywhere. I don't understand it. He's always in one of his favourite places, but not tonight. What's different about tonight?
The moon! A shiny moon path! If I was a cat, I'd like to walk down a moon path.
Me too.
And me, meow.